Quick Tycoon brings to you settlement plot at Dhargal near main Goa to Mumbai highway. Just 4 kilometers from Mopa airport, price starts from 12,000 rupees to 13,000 rupees per square meter.
डेथ चोडता एक्सिडेंट आनी
हांव तुमी पळयलां आसतलें लास्ट इयरसून हांव सांगता की रस्ते बरे ना म्हूण इवन the way the roads have been made are so bumpy. I've already been speaking and shouting that these are going to be accidents will take place. आयज पळयत तुमी that accidents are taking place because the roads are not good. The road engineering is not good. You are taking somebody from a building department and putting him in road because road engineering is specialized engineering. And आज आता a few days back, our minister Nilesh Kabral has admitted that he's not satisfied with the work of the national highway. You look at it. According to me, these roads have been bad from the beginning when they were done. Not only on its construction, on its maintenance, on its flow, on its smoothness, even the engineering for approach and exit, कितले accidents जातात लोक भितर येतात भायर वतात तेन्ना. So I think that the engineers should be hauled up for this. I think the contractor should also be hauled up because once you make this the deaths, how many people are dying tomorrow, it may be our family member, somebody may die. We should not wait for that to happen. If you put these people in their place, all these kind of things will stop. And road accidents, there are designated accident spots to Mizanat. And the National Highway Authority under Supreme Court direction has come and conducted this. What has the government of Goa done to identify this and to take steps to prevent the accidents? Just putting boards, rumbler strips, that doesn't make the give you a solution because sometimes you require the breadth, sometimes you require flyovers, sometimes you require underpasses, and when you don't have this and you waste your money on other things which are not required, and you can't build proper roads nor maintain it, I think that's a very big tragedy. You will also know to me Giri, Roste Bandla, the Shatambut Tatina. This now we are shouting about Benoli, that approach road. I am telling you, once that thing is complete, it will start flooding and causing other disasters in other places. So this is the very sad part of it. And we thought that concrete roads would be good, but those concrete roads themselves are very uneven, very rough. And I repeat, to avoid those roughness, people are going on the other side, and therefore there are accidents also coming. Today you have high-speed vehicles, speeds which are going higher than what we knew previously. You have also changed the speed limits. To me, Podela, that they have increased the speed limits, where even a two-wheeler can go at very high speed on a road, and it's causing accident. Kerala High Court, if I'm not mistaken, has passed a judgment quashing the central government notification to reduce it to to the 2012 notification. And I think the government of Goa should be alive to the situation and reduce the speed limits and enforce the speed limits. Atal Setu, people are flying on Atal Setu. Why there will not be accidents on this thing? Today's accident on the at Agasai, why should the accident have taken place? Is not that is not a known road. Accident is because definitely there is some road engineering problem. You see, even when you go near the police station, when you reach the other side police station, there's a hump there, and you will fly. So why will the buses not fly and fall? And you are now endangering lives of people because a bus takes a lot of passengers. When I was public prosecutor, if a bus or a truck did these kind of things where it injured a lot of people, I would demand a maximum sentence for these drivers. Unless you put them inside, I don't think you will be able to get relief for the common man. Even a man, you saw that there was one accident in Cape side. Some woman was knocked down by some bus. I'm going to be writing to the DYSP. Already spoke to him yesterday. You book that man under 304 Part 2. He had no license. He was driving without a license. How did the owner of the bus allow him to drive this thing? Even the owner must be booked for it. And I'm going to run on a Kerala judgment where such type of thing happened. The man was not authorized to drive because he had no license, and he drove the bus. He killed people, and the driver and the owner were both booked. And in appeal, and they were convicted. In appeal, the High Court dismissed their appeal. So it's not 304A which should be invoked. It should be 304 Part 2.
And one more thing, sir, some roads have not proper signals and signboards also, no? That also cause for accident.
See, let me tell you one thing. Third party sign गायले पण लोक follow करना. A continuous line in the middle of the road means no cutting across this line. But लोक cut करून वयता. the bigger the car, the faster the speed. Sometimes some people even park in no parking zones as if like Papa so fat toy. So like they go and park anywhere what they want, and they think because they have money, they got power, maybe they got some connection, they can park here and there. I can understand some emergency of a medical emergency, somebody is sick, you have to just rush out and take somebody or bring somebody into that car. But it can't be as a matter of right for you to do this when you go to some pub or something like that. So I think
Yeah.
that
One thing about one nation, one election. Do you think one nation, one election idea is feasible in a country and state?